Hi, my name's Khushi. I'm a content creator. I kind of live in Goa and in Mumbai. I think I'm a very bubbly, jolly person, but I also think I can be a little bit of bitch only to the people who are a bitch to me, or else I'm a lover girl. I love making friends and I love being in love. मैं सबसे अलग इसलिए हूँ because I think I'm a kind bitch, not a mean bitch. मैं सबसे बहुत अच्छे से रहती हूँ जब तक मेरे साथ कोई अच्छे से नहीं रहता है. I think I'm in splits with love because of a little bit of fame and a little bit of love as well. Let's see what I get.
Hi, this is your insider Simran Bahel और मेरे साथ है अभी खुशी.
Hello.
Hi खुशी, I hope you're खुशी only.
Very, very much.
Good. Now I am going to ask you some questions जिससे हम आपके बारे में और जान पाए और हमें भी खुशी मिल पाए. तो let's start.
Yeah.
Okay. So my first question is, what's that one compliment you always get?
That I'm really loving and bubbly.
Okay. And something that boys notice about you the first.
I think I dress quite well.
Okay, so that's something people notice about you.
Yeah.
So how would you make someone fall in love for you?
I think just show them who I really am. You know, just be myself, be loving, kind. I prefer spreading a lot of kindness, so maybe that.
So in 1 minute, show us why you're worthy for this show.
I think it's really important for everybody to see how you can make people fall in love with you while being kind, and you don't always have to be a mean person to like come off. Though you can be mean when you're like somebody's walking all over you, but I think being kind is the best thing that you can do to people around you, and I think that's what I'm here
आप
for.
सच्चा प्यार ढूंढने आए हो?
मिल जाएगा तो अच्छी बात है. वही होप तो वही है कि मिल जाए. अब देखते हैं.
तो होप के लिए वो जो लड़का होगा उसमें आपको क्वालिटीज क्या चाहिए?
उसको भी तो थोड़ा काइंड होना चाहिए. He also needs to be respectful. I don't like guys with temper and I'm dominating and shit like that.
So you cannot tolerate this quality?
No, I don't like this quality.
Okay, fair enough. Have you been into relationships?
Yeah.
How many?
2.
2. So what kind of relationship you are looking forward now?
Not a toxic relationship. Not back and forth, hot and cold, not like that. I just want somebody who is consistent, who's focused in their head, knows what they want. If you want to have me, you can't do that.
So have you had any experience like that? कोई ऐसा ex रहा हो जिसकी story आज भी haunt करती हो या सोचने में भी डर लगता हो?
Kind of cheated on me. We were in long distance and I found out I couldn't even go and punch him, which was a sad part, not the part where he cheated. I'm glad he did, so I'm over him. But yeah, that was
Good
kind
one.
of like the bad part.
Okay, so if that guy comes to this show as a wild card, then what?
ना ही आए तो ज़्यादा अच्छा होगा. अगर आ ही जाएगा तो then I'll just be like, I don't know you. I don't know you, dude. Never saw you ever in my life.
Okay, so as you said, you've had relationships, right? तो सबकी relationship और love life में कुछ cute और unusual से quirks होते हैं. आपके क्या हैं?
Somebody who gives me time, I think that's very important more than anything else. Somebody who wants to cuddle and sleep the entire night, I cannot like not cuddle and
Sweet.
sleep. That's like a big no for me. Somebody who writes letters, doesn't have to do it all the time, but maybe like once in a while where we've like had a fight, उसके बाद थोड़ा मनाने के लिए अगर कुछ भेज दे ऐसे, या फिर cupcakes भेज दे. I think
Very
these are like
sweet, yeah, very
nice
sweet.
things I
You're
like.
very sweet girl. So what is your fetish?
Okay, that was quick. Big, huge arms, and I really like huge hands. Like, it has to be double the size of my hand. That's kind of like
Show
my
your
thing.
hands.
Small, tiny.
हाँ,
It
मिल
can be
जाएगा,
like double the size of my hand.
You
Yeah.
get it.
Yeah.
So what's your love language?
Physical touch, words of affirmation. That's kind of giving gifts. I really like giving things.
That's so sweet. So being in love, right? So
Yeah.
how far can you go in love?
यार मैं सब कुछ कर सकती हूँ. As long as that person would do the same for me. That's it. It should reciprocate. बाकी तो कोई problem नहीं है.
Relationship में सबसे ज़्यादा toxic trait क्या लगता है?
Not trusting. ये किसके साथ था, कहाँ थी, ये नंबर किसका है, ये किसको कॉल किया. भाई ट्रस्ट नहीं है तो फिर मत ही रहो. What's the point?
तो ये ट्रेट क्या आप में है?
थोड़ा बहुत तो है, but I think it's not because of me, it's because of them. Okay, so like don't blame it on me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Acha, tell us something which we don't know about you. No one knows about you.
Do you want me to make it a little spicy?
Of course,
And,
yes,
Like, let
I'll
you
be
know
happy.
in something that's a little like not so shareable. I kind of made out with my ex's best friend because he cheated on me. So I needed to like get back at him. So, but yeah, I'm not gonna say that you all should do it, but I did it.
This is something I like. This is a nice answer. I was expecting more of this. तो मैं यही इसी के साथ पूछना चाहूँगी कि सोच लो कोई लड़का whosoever is in your mind, he's standing there. What will be your go-to flirting line for him?
Well, I'll just go and I'll just be like, hi, how are you? Like that. And like, look at his eyes.
मैं अभी तक straight थी. अभी मुझे नहीं पता ये बहुत sweet है यार. So, will you play safe in love or you'll fall first?
No. From what I've learned in the past, I think अभी तो मुझे थोड़ा safe ही खेलना चाहिए. I have to be a little smart. Can't be
Okay.
a stupid girl in love anymore.
So, you are just here for love or for the title also?
I think a little bit of both. मिला प्यार मिल गया तो अच्छी ही बात है. नहीं भी मिला तो I think I'll do good on my own.
Game plan बनाया है कोई strategy?
I'll just be myself, bro. देखेंगे जो होगा. अच्छा ही होगा जितना मुझे लगता है.
तो ये टाइटल जीतने के लिए किसी हद तक जाओगी?
Not gonna like bend my ethics and morals. बाकी जितना मेरे power में है to do something, I would do it.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
So, if you get a connection and some other girl tries to hit on him, what would be your reaction?
I mean, she's also here to find somebody, right? So she's gonna try. If he wants to go be with her, that's on him. That's not what I would be like. I'm not gonna go and be like, be with me, dude.
So, as you
Don't
said
worry.
that for the game you will not bend your ethics.
No.
क्या गेम में रहने के लिए आप फेक कनेक्शन बनाओगे आगे जाने के लिए?
I would not be honest with the guy. I would tell him कि भाई देखो अगर हमारा असली कनेक्शन नहीं है हम दोनों को एक दूसरे की ज़रूरत है गेम में आगे जाने के लिए तो let's help each other out until we actually find a connection. If we don't, we can still play with each other. I think
Fair
that's
enough.
quite fair.
Yeah, I guess it's very fair.
Yeah.
But tell me one more thing. What is being worse? Dump हो जाना या ignore हो जाना?
I think dump ho jana, ignore, you can just ignore somebody is ignoring you, then it wouldn't even matter. But like as long as you are in the game, वो तो ज़्यादा important है.
That's nice. I guess we all know a lot about you now. Moving forward, we have a game for you. जिसके नाम
Okay.
है Check It or Chuck It. So it's a rapid fire round. Okay? मैं आपसे कुछ questions पूछूंगी. आपको जल्दी मुझे answers देना है based on Check It and Chuck It.
Alright.
And you need to also tell me why.
Okay.
Cool?
Let's go.
So imagine these questions are for your boyfriends. Oh, boyfriend, I'm sorry.
Yeah. I was gonna
Boyfriend.
correct you, yeah.
So it's like if your boyfriend always checks your phone.
Dude, no. Chuck it. Chuck it,
Why?
guys. No, because like if you don't trust me, तो फिर मतलब no, can't do it without trust. Chuck it.
Shares your toothbrush.
Really depends on how close we are. If we've been together for 2 years, maybe. Yeah.
Okay.
Can and
Check
between.
it.
Between.
Flirts when he's drunk with other girls.
Bro, out. You're not my boyfriend no more. Chuck it.
Prompts in uploading story, but slows when it comes to replying to your texts.
Maybe he's busy. It's okay. It's fine.
Check it.
check
Very understanding girl यार. बहुत अच्छी बात है. अच्छा अपने पासवर्ड शेयर करने को बोले आपको तो OTT
नहीं
प्लेटफॉर्म
यार,
पे
चल bye. Chuck it. Chuck it.
यहीं से बाय हो जाएगा.
Bye, bye.
Sorry.
Chuck it.
Wants to know your live location.
Maybe it's for safety. Check it. I don't
Mama's
really
boy?
mind. Kinda, as long as the mom's nice. So in between.
PDA lover.
Love it. Check it.
Says I love you too soon.
As long as he really loves me. So chuck it. Check it. Sorry.
Is a struggler who makes ends meet.
Check it. As long as he is actually working towards his goals and doing something in life, I love you.
Dirty talks in serious moments.
Love that. Check it.
I like that. It was really great playing this. Last एक और गेम बचा है हमारे
ठीक है।
पास जिसमें मैं आपको कुछ प्रॉप्स बताऊंगी. ठीक है? आपको उनमें से कोई एक सेलेक्ट करना है based on your personality.
ठीक है.
ठीक है? The props are handcuffs, blindfold, feather tickler, mirror, heels, playing cards, candle, hunter, lollipop और banana.
I think I choose handcuffs.
Okay. Dun, dun, dun. Here you go.
Oh, okay. Spicy.
But why?
I think when you're with somebody, you have to like be with them like completely. So handcuffs is something like they keep you with them. Like that.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
So tell me one message you want to give to all the boys in the villa.
I think if I'm coming there, you all should really look at me and choose me as your connection, because I don't think anybody is going to be as loyal and as kind and nice and also a little playful as much as I am.
साथ भी तो रहना है.
हाँ, साथ में ये handcuffs लेके आ रही हूँ मैं अपने साथ.
One message you would like to give to all the girls in the villa.
I love girls. Let's all be friends. Let's love each other, support each other throughout the journey, and all the best for all of y'all.
I love such girls. One last message to all the fans who are watching you.
I hope I entertain you all, and I hope you'll like me for who I really am, and I hope you'll have fun watching me.
Thank you so much. All the very best to you.
Thank you so much.
Let's say bye to all of them and give a flying kiss. Bye-bye.
Bye.